I'm Suzanne Stavert, and I write a blog called Adventures of Empty Nesters.
And I'm Craig Stavert, married to Suzanne, and I'm the other half of the Empty Nest.
I really like to share the best products with my readers. I've tried a lot of different appliances, and frankly, I think it's the best one I've ever tried. I have about 5,000 that come to my website every month. They want to know what's hot, what's happening, what are Craig and I doing that works for us, and especially the products that we really like. What I found really exciting about the Perfect Cooker was that it was like magic. I really didn't know that it would be as easy as it was. It's one button, and I love just pushing the one button and walking away. I was so surprised that in the very center of this turkey meatloaf, it was moist all the way through and cooked all the way through. So we could have it for dinner, and then the next day we had meatloaf sandwiches.
I probably do 20% of the cooking and 80% of the cleanup. So for me to have a smaller footprint, less heat, easy cleanup, fantastic for me.
On the scale of 1 to 10, the Perfect Cooker is a perfect 10.
Okay.